The Army and Navy Club Washington, D.C. app. The pros, the cons. If you're a member of the Army and Navy Club in Washington, D.C., you might wonder if the official app is worth downloading. Let's dive into its pros and cons. One of the biggest pros is access to club services at your fingertips. Most people get this wrong by thinking the app only handles reservations. In reality, you can book dining, schedule events, and even reserve rooms directly from the app. It also provides updates on club news, announcements, and special events, keeping members connected no matter where they are. Convenience is key. The app offers digital membership verification, which can simplify check-ins and reduce the need to carry a physical card. You can also view your account balance for services like dining credits or event fees, making it easier to manage payments and track usage. However, there are cons. Some users report occasional glitches with event booking or slow load times during high traffic periods. Advanced features like personalized recommendations or social networking within the club are limited, so engagement beyond basic access can feel sparse. Customer support through the app is also not as responsive as in-person assistance. In conclusion, the Army and Navy Club Washington, D.C. app is ideal for members seeking easy access to reservations, club updates, and account management. The surprising truth is that while it streamlines daily tasks, it doesn't fully replicate the in-person club experience. For anyone wanting to stay connected and manage their membership efficiently, the app offers convenience and speed. Knowing its limitations ensures you can enjoy the benefits without unnecessary frustration.